Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to use Chatgpt in Make. First, go to the make.com website and make sure you log it into your account. Now click on create a new scenario. In the search bar, tap Chatgpt and click on it when it appears. You'll see different locations available. Click on generate an image. Next, click on add to create a new connection. Enter your connection name, your API key and your organization ID. If you don't have an API key yet, click on Open AI Account API Keys. Then log in and continue with your Google account. Click on Create New Secret Key. Now enter name for the key, choose your project and click on Create Secret Key. Copy the key that appears. Go back to the make.com and paste the key into the API key field. Now click Save to connect Chatgpt. Then choose the model you want to use and enter your prompt. Click Save again. Now you're ready to generate an image using Chatgpt in make.com. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.